Hi, it's Jason with Straightline Performance. We're here in our premier dyno facility. So today we're dynoing the Arctic 858 Trail. So we've got it on our chassis dyno. We've been working on this for quite some time. It's just good to be able to get our new facility up and running and start showing you what we can produce with our new clutch components for the catalyst. We've got all their adapt components. Today, we're going to turn the dyno room on. We'll show you the gains, show you the components, show you what we have, and definitely see some results today. All right, we got some really good dyno pulls here. Let's take a look at the results and then take a look at the kit here. So we're picking up a solid 4 horse to track. So if anybody knows track horsepower, we're easily can double that to the engine. So I mean, when it comes to what we're making for power, we gained a really solid. The big difference we're looking at through here, as you can see in the beginning here, our red line, we're accelerating the 850 a lot harder. So there's a ton of push on the beginning. There was a lot left on the table by Cat. You know, the manufacturer leaves kind of a lot of room sometimes for versatility. You know, we're here to build you a performance on the trail clutch kit. It's got to accelerate hard. It's got to have good back shift. It's got to have good mile an hour, you know, and fun to drive all around. So really, after almost 20 years of chassis dynoing, we can build a really good kit. We still do testing in the fields we did last year, but we want to at least prove the results on here and show everyone. So let's take a look and see what the kit comes with. Now that we finished up some of the dynoing, let's run over what the kit comes with today. So it comes with 2 springs in our kit. So these are high-end, high-performance springs. What do we mean by that? So they are designed to last a lifetime. So our springs are lifetime warranty. You have any fading or any breaking, just call us and we'll replace it. So 2 high-end springs. Comes with a custom helix designed to our angle specs just for the 858. And what a really cool bonus, it comes with a new adapt billet machined weights that we build. So they come with 4 adjustable holes. Each hole can be adjusted down to 0.3 of a gram. So the kit does come with all the components and then the instructions exactly how you want to set it up. So we'll tell you where to put every component into each hole. So there's no guesswork. What's really neat too is we do a lot of development out there for different driver weights and different conditions. So our baseline setting is typically always a 200-pound driver on the average snow day. That's what the average is that we've determined over all these years. If you've got a 125-pound person or a 300-pound person, on our instructions, we give you these decisions that you can make. So it's all based off the RPM. Put the kit in exactly how we tell you. You know, hey, I'm 100 RPM high. If you go to our tuning instructions, it'll tell you if you're 100 RPM high, here's what we need you to do. So very simple. We try to make this extremely consumer friendly. Check everything out at straightlineperformance.com.